Hi guys. So in this video, we'll see about the SCCM introduction. Okay. So it's just a simple and short video about the SCCM. So let's start. What is SCCM? So SCCM means System Centered Configuration Manager, but at present it is calling as Microsoft Configuration Manager. So Microsoft Configuration Manager is a systems management software product from Microsoft to manage large groups of computers by providing some excellent features. And those are co-management, application management, real-time management, OS deployment, remote control, software monitoring, etc. So for better understanding about this SCCM tool, so let's take a simple example. So if you have any system, so you need to install applications and update the OS, and you need to keep the antivirus, so etc. Right? So we need to do many things to make our system healthy. Okay, so we need to protect our computer. So let's imagine in a company we'll have thousands of devices, so we can't manually install the applications and manually update the softwares, anything, right? So for this we need a automation. So for the Windows platforms, the best automation tool to handle the Windows computers, which is Microsoft Configuration Manager. Okay, so to better understand about the software, so let's take a real-time example. Okay, so let's imagine we configured the SCCM server and also we have the end user computer. Okay, so the SCCM server will collect the data from the end user computer by using the SCCM client agent. So client agent is the simple software. So we need to install the client agent in the device. So once the client agent is installed successfully, then only the SCM server able to control that machine. Okay. So client agent is the very important. Is the first thing we need to do. Okay. So let's take a simple example like, we are going to deploy a Google Chrome to that computer. So first of all, we need to package that Google Chrome in the SCM server. So we call it as application packaging. So we'll have some different methods how to package the application. So we'll discuss more about that in upcoming classes. Okay. So once we have the application packaged, so we need to distribute that package to the distribution point. So the distribution point stores the content of the SCCM, which means the applications, the OS images, and the software updates, anything. So once the content is distributed to the DPs, so the content will store in the distribution point. Okay, so then we need to perform the deployment. So once we configure the deployment to deploy the Google Chrome to the end user machine, the management point issue the policies to the end user computer. Okay, and then the client agent will receive that policies and it will download the content from the distribution point, and then it will install that software, and then it will provide the reply messages. We can call it as state messages. So it will give reply to the management point, that is software is downloaded and installed successfully, so no issues. So then the management point will process these messages and send it to the CM server. So once we have that messages and everything, so we can monitor the deployment completely in the deployment section. I mean, in the monitoring section in the deployments tab. Okay, so to understand more about this SCCM tool, I recommend you to learn from the Microsoft official documentation. So this is the official website. So if you visit this website, you can learn more about this tool. Okay, so I recommend you to visit this website and learn more about this tool. So okay, friends, this is about the short video about the SCCM server. So see you soon in our next classes. Until then, have a great day. Bye.